Paint color fading over time is a total bummer, but you can actually keep your walls looking fresh way longer if you know what to do. Alright, so first off, always pick paints that say UV resistant on the label because they block out those harsh sun rays that wreck your color. When you're painting outside, try to do it on a cloudy day or late afternoon so the paint doesn't dry too fast and crack. If you've got big windows or a spot that gets crazy sun all day, think about adding some shades or curtains to cut down on the light, hitting your walls non-stop. Also, wash your painted surfaces gently every few months to keep dirt from messing with the color. If you're using exterior paint, go for ones with good quality pigments. Cheaper paints fade quicker, no joke. When you notice any fading starting, don't wait around. Put on a fresh coat after prepping the surface right. Remember, sealing the paint with a clear UV protective top coat can make a massive difference too. Lastly, if you've got trees or plants nearby, trim them so they don't trap moisture against your walls, because dampness plus sun means faster fading. One of the biggest mistakes people make with paint color fading over time is picking cheap paint that doesn't have UV protection. It might save cash now, but ends up costing more since you need to repaint way faster. The fix? Spend a bit more for high-quality UV-resistant paint and look for good reviews before buying. Another common issue is painting in direct sunlight or super hot weather, which makes paint dry too fast and lose its strength. Doing your painting during cooler parts of the day helps avoid this. Lastly, ignoring regular maintenance like cleaning and sealing your paint leaves it vulnerable to dirt and sun damage. You can fix that by scheduling simple upkeep every few months and using a clear protective sealant on top. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the stress of endless searching. Contractors also get a boost by connecting with folks who actually need their skills, making it easier to grow their business and get steady work.